This week, Hyundai Motor Group announced the grand opening of its massive new production facility just outside of Savannah, Georgia, and we got to take a tour. A roughly 3.5-hour drive south of Atlanta, Georgia, the Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America facility sits on 2,906 acres in Elabel, Georgia, with quick access to the ports of Savannah and Brunswick. Here, 8,500 jobs are planned to be filled by the year 2031 to build electric vehicles like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 9, and eventually Kia and Genesis products as well. The site is also home to facilities for other Hyundai divisions such as Hyundai Steel, Mobis, Glovis, Transys, Material, and the company's joint venture with LG Battery. Outside of the battery joint venture facility, there are 11 buildings totaling over 7.5 million square feet. A solar panel parking lot at the front of the site will provide the facility with 5 megawatts of energy, which accounts for about 5% of the plant's electricity needs. Once fully operational, the Metaplant will be capable of producing 300,000 vehicles annually, with expansion capabilities up to 500,000, which Hyundai officially set as their new goal during the grand opening event. Governor Brian Kemp and Hyundai Motor Group's new CEO, Jose Munoz, touted the over 15,000 jobs that will be added to the Southeast Georgia economy thanks to the Metaplant and its suppliers. In fact, to date, the Hyundai Metaplant is the largest economic development deal in Georgia history. The entire manufacturing facility, including the joint venture, represents $7.59 billion in capital investment. Including suppliers, the investment totals over $10 billion. The Metaplant is what is considered to be a smart factory. All processes of production from order collection, procurement, logistics, and production are optimized using AI and real-time data. The innovative manufacturing system helps create a more human-centered work environment with robots assisting human workers. There are spaces inside the shockingly quiet assembly room for relaxing, eating, and taking breaks, as well as an ecological park which, once completed, will be nearly 45 acres in size, making it larger than Forsyth Park in downtown Savannah. Working under Hyundai's philosophy of progress for humanity, Hyundai North America has donated over $500,000 to local organizations on the Metaplant's behalf, including efforts that have positive impacts on the community, education, the environment, and children. First announced in 2022, the Metaplant has been in operation since October of 2024, pushing out 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5s. But the Ioniq 9 is clearly in full production at this point as well, with plenty of completed models ready for their next move. How does this newly opened US factory play with the current administration's love for trade wars? Luckily, this opening couldn't have come at a better time, as the Metaplant enables every vehicle built there to bypass the 25% tariff rule and allows the cars that qualify to receive the full federal EV tax credit as long as that is still in effect. But EVs aren't the only cars that will come out of the Metaplant. Munoz hinted that once their upcoming next-generation hybrids roll out, they expect roughly 1/3 of the facility's output to be dedicated to that propulsion type. Long story short, it's great to see manufacturing jobs come back to the US, thanks to a proactive company that seemingly cares about the communities in which it plants its seeds.